Hello there! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Shopify Opening Soon message for 2025 and successfully launch your Shopify store. If you've encountered this issue, you're in the right place. Sometimes this message appears because a password has been set for your store, requiring visitors to enter it to access your products. To resolve this, follow these steps. 1. Log into your Shopify store. Start by logging in to your Shopify store dashboard. 2. Access Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom left and click on Settings. 3. Select a plan. Click on Plan. If you haven't selected a plan yet, make sure to choose one. This step is crucial for your store's operation. You can select a plan and pay the required fee to activate your store. 4. Modify Online Store Preferences. Click on Online Store. Go to Preferences. Scroll down to find the option that says Limit who can access your online store. Uncheck the box that restricts access to visitors with a password. 5. Save Changes. After unchecking, make sure to click Save. This should resolve the Shopify Opening Soon issue. If the problem persists, it might be due to an app you have installed, such as Peachfly, which lets you temporarily close your store. To fix this, go to Apps and Sales Channels. If you see Peachfly or a similar app, consider deleting it to prevent it from closing your store. I hope this guide helps you get your Shopify store up and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to respond. See you in the next video.